Hi, I'm John Teakell, criminal defense attorney, and I want to talk to you for a little bit about what to do if you are under federal investigation for a federal offense, a federal crime. That is, if you're under investigation by the U.S. Attorney's Office, the federal prosecutor, who also works with federal agents such as the FBI, DEA, Homeland Security. There are about 3 ways that you can determine if you are under a federal investigation. The first one is if you receive a target letter from the U.S. Attorney's Office. That is, a letter from the U.S. Attorney telling you that you're under investigation, that you are a target, meaning that they are focusing their efforts on trying to come up with formal charges against you. In the target letter, they'll ask you to come in and testify before the grand jury. The best thing to do at that point is to hire an experienced attorney to help you address the target letter and the allegations in there. Secondly, you can find out if you're under investigation if people around you are being interviewed about you or there are records being obtained about you. Usually somebody will tell you that they were called by or visited by a federal agent and they were asking questions about you. The third way is if you are approached yourself by a federal agent who drops in on you to tell you that they have some questions to ask about this area or that area. Now, in regard to the grand jury, usually the short answer is to not go in and testify in front of a grand jury until you figure out what the allegations more fully are against you and your attorney can determine what evidence the government really has and what evidence that you have to push back with. Also, if you go in and testify, you're on the record, so later if you determine that you should have worded something a little differently, then it's too late because you're already on record with your answers at that point. Now, hiring an experienced federal criminal defense attorney will help to determine, not only to fully determine your status, as well as evaluating what the evidence is prior to any charges. That way you can try to stop any investigation or any charges that are coming at you, or at least get a head start on addressing the allegations against you and working to come up with items to show the U.S. Attorney that you should not be charged. Again, this is Attorney John Teakell. Call me if I can help you in any federal case or state case if you're under investigation or if you're charged. Thank you.